Hello friends, this is Shiladitya Gupta from Jisa Gupta range of Ayurveda beauty products and herbal beauty treatment. And today we will be talking about causes of hair fall, home remedies for hair fall, and our products for hair fall. So I start now. Hair fall is a very common problem nowadays, and it is also common among the youth. Youth means I will say here the people who are in the age group of 24, 23. Previously hair fall problems were experienced when you were usually reaching 40 years of age or post 40 years of age. But nowadays you can experience hair fall even at 21, 22, 23. Like just today I was checking the call logs, and I had a voice log which says that I am only 19 years and I am having tremendous hair fall from both of the sides. So the person over the phone asked a question that do you have any infection on your scalp or something? No infection, nothing, no dandruff, but I am experiencing extreme hair fall and I feel that I will go bald. And that person was only a 19 years old boy. And then he transferred his phone to his mom, and his mom was very worried, and she wants to visit our treatment center for consultation. And I said that now on this date, like today is 11th of September 2020, which is we are running through the pandemic, and so you may opt to buy the products at home and use our products which are GMP certified. They are drug licensed Ayurvedic products. But she insisted that she wants to visit, talk once with her son and get the products. That's fine, not a problem. So these are many cases, and many such cases are coming up. People in the age group 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 are facing hair fall problem or experiencing a little more than normal hair fall. Then the people in the 40s, they are experiencing, there was always people in the age group of 40s, in the 50s who are experiencing heavy hair fall, and they're really worried and they want to address the problem. They want to control hair fall and promote hair growth so that they don't get bald. So out here is our intervention. Jisa Gupta has experience of 30 plus years in the field of Ayurvedic home remedies and beauty products and beauty solutions through beauty products for various skin and hair related beauty problems. And we have just compiled all our knowledge, the most possible portions which can be packaged in bottles, and that is the Jisa Gupta Ayurveda beauty products. And these products are duly drug licensed, they are GMP certified. GMP certified assures that the products are of high quality, they have been following very good parameters for production, and the drug license assures that these products have manufactured under approved formulations through approved procedures, and this is safe for use, and this is definitely also effective because the efficacy is also tested. So out here we would come to the point, like what is hair fall? We have usually regular hair fall and the normal level of hair fall every day, and we also have hair growth. When the ratio between the falling hair and the growing hair is disrupted badly, it is more lean towards the falling hair, where the heavier side is the falling hair. Like you are experiencing around 50 hair falls a day, and you are experiencing hardly 5 hair growths a day. It's just a mathematical figure to make you understand. It's not the actual. So in that case, after 6 months, you will feel that your hair lines are receding. The volume of the hair is decreasing. Then around 1 year, there is considerable receding of your hair lines. Around 2 years, you may find that your hair has gone very thin. Around 3rd or 4th year, you will find that there are bald patches. This can be a little faster. This can even happen within 1-2 years. This can even happen within 1.5 years. And very unlucky if it happens within 6 months. So this is hair fall. When the ratio of the normal falling hair increases to a alarming level, where there is a very high hair fall and there is a very less hair growth or almost no growth, that is very rare. So this is the case from where you can go bald, and this is just at that point you seriously need to intervene. I say seriously need to intervene. So what is when you need to intervene, when it is not so serious. So I will come there. So identifying that there is an impending hair problem coming on. What is that identification? There are few identifications. Like we have hair which is usually soft and which is very manageable. You can just pass your fingers through the hair and you feel good. But when your hair feels very rough, when you just touch your hair and it's very rough, it feels like it has gone very dry, it has gone very rough, it is very coarse, then your hair has lost the color. I mean, you may have black hair, you may have brown hair, you may have blonde hair, you can have any hair. But your hair is losing the color, it is losing a shine. There is no shine, it is losing the color, it is looking faded. And again, it is looking very rough. That is the first sign that your hair health has a problem, your hair is no more healthy. This is the place you need to start to intervene. This is the first place. Then what you experience from normal hair fall, you will see the second stage, you will see there is more hair fall. There is hair in your washroom, there is hair in the basin, there is hair falling on the food, there is hair in your clothes, there is hair everywhere. And initially it is few in numbers, you will notice one or two, but at a point of time, if you keep ignoring, you will notice that there is a tremendous amount of hair fall. You are finding bunches of hairs even on your comb. So that is very alarming. So that's the second stage. First stage, I repeat, is the dryness of the hair, faded hair. The hair has lost its shine, the hair has lost its health. And in the second stage, you experience noticeable hair fall. We have hair fall, but we don't notice it. You experience noticeable hair fall. Third stage is that you experience thinning of hair. Your hair has gone thin, your scalp is visible, or the total volume of the hair has decreased rapidly. Then in the fourth stage, the ratio has gone totally disrupted. Your falling hair volume is very, very high and your growing hair volume is very, very low. This is the place, this is the point from where you can experience baldness. Even if you are experiencing some kind of a baldness, some kind of bald patches, and it has just been 2-3 years, product intervention, treatment intervention can work very good. If it is around 10 or 12 years, the chances keeps decreasing. There are chances, you may get some percentage of result, maybe 20-25% of result. In the initial stage, just as you start experiencing bald patches, you may get very high results. You may get 50-60% results. 75% results, depending on age, your health, you may also get 90% results. If you're very young, your health is good, your overall diet is good, and you're just in the initial stage of it. But if it is 10 or 12 years old problem, 20 years old problem, the percentage of success goes decreasing. Yes, there will be definitely some results because you do it, but the percentage of it will decrease. So I just finished that. How do you identify hair fall? Now we will come to some of the causes of hair fall. Some of the normal causes of hair fall is not using oil on your hair. You need to use oil on your hair. Like in Bengali, in India we have a saying that with oil and water hair stays good. Like tele jole chul bhalo thake. Tel is oil, jol is water. Tele jole chul bhalo thake. So out here you need to use oil on your hair because oil helps you to get rid of that roughness. Oil produce nutrition to the hair, natural oil like mustard oil, coconut oil, you may use these till you don't have any problem or you are not experiencing any impending problem or not realizing that you may have some problem. You will get to see that you may have some. That is the time you need to use therapeutic hair oils and medicated hair oils. For the initial stage, you may use coconut oil, you may use mustard oil. These are natural oil. Things that oil that come regular use oil, scented, perfumed with a lot of liquid paraffin, they are not oil. Don't use them. They don't help you anyway. They just create a coating. You shampoo it off, shampoo it goes off, nothing happens because that's not oil. That is more of LLP. And there is perfume, there is color. You feel good about the perfume. You love to see that color, but it doesn't benefit you. So you use some mustard oil, coconut oil, just apply mustard oil, coconut oil like this through the nozzle. To never vigorously massage your skull. Massage very gently with your fingertips. Like this, massage the skull. And then leave it, shampoo it. You can do it 1 or 2 days in a week. So not applying hair oil not applying some kind of hair nutrition through a hair pack or something. Natural hair packs we know, like we have henna powders, we have brahmi powders, we have amla powder. We can mix it with something like egg or anything and create a natural pack and may use it. Milk, egg and something, right? So not using hair oil. At least once a week or twice a week. Twice a week ideally you need to oil your hair. Once in 10 days you need to apply some hair pack above the oil. Never use a hair pack without oil because the packs are usually dry thing. They will create more dryness to your hair and the hair may come out. Some of your hair may come out by shampooing because it's very dry, it's powdery, it's sticking. And you need to do a lot of shampoo, a lot of rubbing to remove it. So applying oil will help you. Don't need to do so much of rubbing and also the nutrition goes to your scalp. So not applying oil, not applying pack. Then comes proper diet. Proper diet is very important for good health. It's not 100% right. You will see a lot of people, they are not getting diet but they have got this long black hair or long brownish hair, but their diet is not so good. But those are exceptional cases. But again, diet is somewhere important. The most important is applying oil, applying some kind of a pack on your hair and applying and having a good diet, good lifestyle. Like exercising, doing some yoga pranayams. These send more oxygen. These help in the building of oxygen level in your body. The blood flow improves around the body, and your hair also stays healthy. Yoga pranayam, exercising. Then you need to take good sleep, because if you are very stressed, then you may experience hair fall. So a good sleep, a calm mind, these are also important. Then comes that if you have suffered from high fever, any kind of a disease where you had a lot of medicines and there is an overall downfall of your health, so your hair may also suffer. You need to protect your hair from excessive exposure to the sunlight. You need to protect your hair from excessive exposure to hair dryers, particularly the hot mode. The warm mode, the hot mode, whatever we call, we need to stay protected. We cannot be frequent users of the hot warm mode. We can be occasional users. Suppose you're going out for a party or something, going out with your friends, you need to look good, you need just to blow your hair dry and you feel good. So that is the time you need to use the hot mode or the warm mode. Otherwise use the cold mode, the normal mode. And but never be frequent. Try to use a towel to dry your hair, and that is for some occasions, not every time. Too much of exposure to hair dryers, too much of exposure to this hair straightening or smoothening, what we call, those chemicals, chemical based hair colors, and again various hair chemicals, like there are various other hair chemicals like to hair fixing and all these things. So we need to be aware, we need to be not regular users of all these things. So taking care, not regular users, good health, yoga pranayam, keeping the blood flow and the oxygen level good in the body, these are all very important things, keeping your body healthy for maintaining good hair. So these are some of the causes. I also spoke about some of the ways you can understand that your hair is having some problem or it may have some problem in near future. So now I will come into some home remedies. Home remedies out here is that people with experiencing hair fall, we all know Brahmi. Brahmi is very easily available in the market, or you also get Brahmi in other form like dried leaves and things in some markets. Otherwise you can get the fresh Brahmi in the market. Brahmi is a vegetable, it's leafy vegetable. You can get Brahmi in the market. What you can do, you can use mustard oil or coconut oil. Just wash that Brahmi very well, and you can also take keshut. That's also another vegetable, leafy vegetable. So Brahmi and keshut you can just put together. You can dip that Brahmi and just wash it very well, take off the leaf, and then also tear the leaf into small pieces. Once you tear the leaf into small pieces, take a container, maybe a stainless steel container, or very good it will be if you take a glass container. It can be a kind of ball like this. It can also be a bottle. You can take a ball, that's better actually. So put some coconut oil for 7 days use, or mustard oil into it, and then dip those leaves the cleaned leaves which you have cut into pieces into that oil. How much quantity? That's a big question. Like you need to put around 5 or 6 leaves of Brahmi plus cashew in every 250 ml of oil. So that is how you do. And then for 5 or 7 days, how much volume of your hair, how much absorption of the scalp is there, you know it, and on that proportion you just take in a bowl some mustard oil or coconut oil and dip these leaves into that and cover the top with a plate or with any cloth or anything nicely, and just leave it on the sun. Leave it under the sun for around 1 day or 1.5 days, so that oil gets naturally processed in the sunlight. Then strain it, pour it in a glass bottle or a very good plastic bottle. Avoid plastics, pour it in a glass bottle or a very good plastic bottle, keep it, and then apply that for next 7-10 days. Put some oil, gently massage it with your fingertips, leave for around 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and shampoo it off with a good Ayurvedic shampoo which is not very harsh on your hair and scalp. A good Ayurvedic shampoo, a proper Ayurvedic shampoo which is not very harsh on your hair and scalp, doing 2 days in a week will really help you. Now you want to take some kind of hair pack. Amla powders is very easily available. You can take a little amla powder, you can mix some milk with it, you can mix an egg maybe, and then take a pack. Or henna powders can also do, people who want a little coloring. So they can also use henna powder, and henna, you know how to use it. There are a lot of information on the internet how to use henna. And you can also use henna as a hair pack like in this way, and or the amla powder. You can just use amla powder, put some milk, not make it very thick, neither make it so that it very flows easily, make a very normal paste so that it stays on the hair for some time. So apply that oil, 2 days in a week apply the oil and shampoo. 1 day in a week apply the oil, apply the hair pack over it and leave it for some time. Then just shampoo it off. The hair pack may stay for around 10 to 15 minutes, it gets little dry, and then just shampoo it off. So 2 days in a week, 2 days in a week, just apply that oil which I just spoke, and 1 day in a week apply the oil, leave for 30 minutes, apply the hair pack over it, leave for 15 minutes, and shampoo. This is where you can. This is how you can take. These are the home remedy for natural hair care. Then comes our products. As mentioned earlier, the Jisa Gupta products are drug licensed. They are duly drug licensed, and drug license assures that these formulations are approved. The ingredients are used are approved. They have some kind of logic why we have used it. So there is some kind of efficacy proof, and then again because we have to use product ingredients which are good for hair, and they have some kind of a reference in some kind of approved text. And then comes the GMP certification which assures good quality. So combining these two, you can be very assured that these products are very good and you can safely and happily use it. Our products are very easy to use. They are not cumbersome. You don't have to do a lot of difficult things for using the product. Neither you have to keep it for long hours. You can just use it easily. And it comes in a combination of some water-based lotion, oil, a pack, and a hair cleanser or a shampoo. So these are the 4 products like Jisa, we call them Jisa Gupta products, and you can find the photo of Jisa Gupta over the product on the label, and the label contains details of the usage, how to use, how to store and everything. And we have our website in English, Bengali, Hindi, and we have also listed our products in various online marketplaces where we have given enough details, just not the product but a lot of details about the product, like in Amazon, Bengal Shopping, there is Flipkart, there is other many sites where products are easily available. Just do Google, you will find a lot number of sites, very popular sites, newly upcoming sites who are selling our products, and very detailed description is there, and detailed description is in the website. Just Google the product name. Suppose the product name is Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care Hair Oil or Jisa Gupta Hair Oil. You just type this name, you will reach to our website and you can read in English, Bengali, Hindi details about the product. And details of the product is also written on the label, product label. So we have the Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care Hair Oil, Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care Hair Lotion, Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care Hair Pack, and Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care hair cleanser or the shampoo. So these are the 4 products. Like you can also call them Jisa Gupta hair oil, Jisa Gupta hair lotion, Jisa Gupta hair pack, and Jisa Gupta hair shampoo. So you will find these products. And this also comes in combination. You can buy in combination because these are fulfilling each other. Okay. So what happens? Our oil contains a lot of ingredients. It contains many ingredients, hundreds of ingredients in right proportion, in a quantity that is very effective to help falling hair. It helps the cause of falling hair. Like it helps you to arrest excessive falling of hair. And then when your excessive hair fall is arrested, your hair growth ratio also improves. Then that hair fall problem becomes to a normal level where you have enough hair growth and you have a normal hair fall. So this is a hair fall control. Our products are all for hair fall control, like the Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care hair oil. Then comes the Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care hair lotion, the Jisa Gupta Nourish and Care hair pack, and the hair cleanser or the shampoo. So we have the oil. The oil combines in right proportion a lot of ingredients which are good for hair. Some of the ingredients are common also in the hair lotion, and there are other ingredients also in different proportions maybe, which is very good through water base for hair fall control. And we also have the hair pack with lot of freshly powdered ingredients. And for bottle products, the process we follow as per approved procedures. So you apply that oil 2 to 3 days in a week. It is written on the label. 2 to 3 days in a week you apply hair oil on your scalp. Gently massage it with your fingertips, very gently like this. Okay. And there is a nozzle, so you can just press the bottle and the hair oil will drop, and then you just spread it with your fingertips and you leave it. Then after you use the hair oil, you can use the hair lotion. Keep it for 30-45 minutes. Use the hair lotion. Use the hair lotion over the hair oil. Leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes, and then shampoo. This is 2 days in a week. 1 day in a week, use the hair oil, use the hair lotion, use the hair pack. Like hair pack, you just take 2 or 3 spoons or 4 spoons depending on the volume of your hair. Mix it with some milk or water, because it has already a lot of things. You don't need to mix a lot of things into it. You can, if you want, you can give an egg. Mix it with milk or water. Create a light paste. If we have written a light paste, not a thick paste, apply it all over your hair. After you have applied the oil and the lotion, and then just shampoo it off. For people who are very busy, they may apply the lotion at night. Apply the lotion at night 1 hour before you go to bed. In the morning, apply the oil and then shampoo. And 1 day in a week, maybe the day you have off, you apply the hair lotion or the hair oil, or either you apply the lotion and the hair oil, or you apply the hair oil and the lotion. Anything before each other will not make much difference. Then you apply the hair pack, and then you apply the shampoo or the hair cleanser. So I come to the series again. Like you apply the hair oil, just push the bottle and the drops, and you just spread it with your fingertips. Then again leave it for around 30 to 40 minutes. Then you apply the hair lotion in the same way, just spread it and leave it for around 15-20 minutes. And the day you want to apply the pack, just apply the pack over the oil and the lotion, leave it for around 15 minutes, and then the shampoo. This will give you a very beautiful hair. Your hair will first, how you will feel that your hair fall control or your hair is gaining its health. First, after a few uses, maximum 7 or 8 uses, your hair will start feeling healthy. You will find that your hair is no more rough. Your hair is getting back the shine, it's getting back its health, and you are feeling good touching your hair. Then the hair will start shining. A lot of shine will come to the hair, which was there. Actually, previously you were born with it. You will feel that your hair is shining, your hair is looking healthy, and it's looking attractive. Then you will start noticing that there is a hair fall control. The amount of hair was falling has reduced. At a stage you may feel that there is a little more hair fall. It is actually the loose hair is falling because the ratio of the hair growth and the hair fall has improved. So maybe the loose hair is falling, and you may experience that your hair volume has increased because the ratio of the falling hair and the growing hair has improved considerably. So the first stage where you find that your hair is improving, that is around 3 weeks, where you find that your hair is shining, it is soft, it is looking healthy, and it is not rough anymore, it is not looking faded. Then in the second stage you find that there is a shine in your hair, there is a good health, his hair is looking healthy. That may come in around 10 weeks. And then around a few 15 weeks or 16 weeks or 20 weeks, depending on your hair, your age, your health condition, how old is the problem, you may experience that the falling hair proportion has reduced because you don't see so much of hair falling around you in those places like your pillow, like your towel, like your washroom, anywhere on your comb. Then you start that your volume is increasing. Around sometime you may feel that there is a little more hair fall. That is because the loose hair is falling. Don't panic. We have written it on out. We have written it, and so there is nothing to hide. Because this happens. This is very common because the volume is increasing, and that is the final stage. And then you start that your hair volume has increased. There is a lot of hair on your scalp. The hair volume has increased because the falling of the hair, which was in abnormal stage, where a lot of hair was falling, that has reduced, and you have reached a normal ratio. This may take around 25-30 weeks. And you start feeling actually this is a 6 months you get to see the results, and our product containers are made such a way that they last for some time. So we say around 3 to 6 sets of this product will definitely benefit you. And the percentage of benefit will depend on your health condition, how old is the problem, your scalp condition, like how much hair you had. Because if you have not very high volume of hair earlier, you will not have it later because the hair pores matters. So age, health condition, condition of your hair, how old is your problem, all these factors determine that what percentage you may get results. Everybody get good results, and we have very good. Just Google and find that people really say good things about the product. There are a lot of good comments and those are very spontaneous and natural. And we have been doing this for many years. So just feel free to buy our products. And how to get our products? Just Google Jisa Gupta products. As you Google Jisa Gupta products or Jisa Gupta hair combination, hair fall control combination or hair fall control products, you reach our online sites where you find the selling sites where you find that our product combinations or the individual products are there. Or you can just type the products in Jisa Gupta hair oil, Jisa Gupta hair pack, Jisa Gupta hair lotion, Jisa Gupta hair cleanser or shampoo. You will find our products. And then you can go to the very popular sites, prominent sites, and can just buy our product. Our products are also available in home delivery for Kolkata and around Kolkata. There are phone numbers which we will mention in our description, and in the description is very important. Very much of details, a lot of details are given in the description about links of our online sites, the product names, the home delivery phone numbers where you can book for home delivery, and list of details. There are in selected details our products are also available, our center, and so many things, our contact helpline, everything is there. So also go to the description box and know more about our products, and you can purchase our products, give your feedback, and stay connected. Thank you for listening this video, and we are very happy to connect to you, and we will be in future we are also coming with more information and stay connected to our Facebook, to our channel. It's Jisa Gupta. Thank you.